Unit 1, Section 2.1, Worked Examples. In the first problem, we're given a set and we want to write that set using set builder notation. And we see the set is the set A, which contains the elements 2, 4, 6, and 8. So what's common about these elements is they're even numbers and they're between 2 and 10 inclusive. And let's look at the three choices. The answer says select all that apply, so it's possible there's more than one correct answer here. So the first one says x, such that x is an even number and it's between 0 and 12, not including 0 and 12. And that would apply here because we know natural numbers start at 1, and we know that this set stops at 10, so this would be a correct answer. And answer B is x such that x is an element of the natural numbers and it's an even number less than 11. That also would be correct. And the final answer says x is a natural number and it's an even number less than 12, and that would also be correct. So all three of those are correct. My second example gives me a set, and it's in Set Builder, and it wants us to put it into roster form. So remember, roster form is going to be written like this, and we're going to say x is a natural number and it's a multiple of 8. So the first number that's going to be in there is 8, and then they're multiples, so it's going to go to 16, 24, 32, and then we're going to put our ... to indicate that it continues in the same fashion. The third example is doing a description of a set. And actually the answers are given in set builder notation, but a description here, if we said it in words, would be the set of numbers, their elements of the natural numbers, and their multiples of 6. So let's look at our answers here. Answer A says it's a multiple of a natural number and -6. I can eliminate that one. They're not odd. Let's look at C. X such that x is a natural number and it's a multiple of 6. That's my correct answer. And then determine whether the following statement is true or false. So it says 5 is not an element of the set, and it's given in set builder notation, x such that x is a natural number and it's odd. So let's first of all write that set. So that set is going to be, let's go back up here. That set is going to be odd numbers, so it's going to go 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. And we notice 5 is an element of that set, so therefore this statement is false. And it's very helpful to write the set out as I did here so that you can make sure you understand whether or not the statement is true or false.